Lewis and I'm level 2 painting and decorating. It covers anything from last year it was basic skills, and this year it's more to the point of putting the basic skills into test and showing that you can actually do wallpapering, cutting in properly, using a roller properly.
My name's Reese and I do a carpentry course, diploma level 1. They're giving me a lot of support. The work is good and they've got all the tools and there's not really any problems.
My name's Wendy R1 and I teach level 1 and level 3 this year in painting and decorating. Generally our students, if they come as level 1, aim to go on to level 2. During that time hopefully we'd like to get them employed. We've got quite a good reputation for people wanting our painters. And then level 2 obviously to level 3, it's got a lot of specialist traditional craft skills that they need to learn. They do a bit of gilding, encruster, air spraying, and then level 3 we also have progression onto uni or the BTEC courses. With great facilities, I've actually been around to quite a lot of facilities myself.
The support from the tutors is brilliant. Kelly, who's my tutor, she's fantastic. I couldn't ask for a better tutor. She's yeah, anything you need, she's there. She's helping you out. Fantastic facilities are great. Tutors are great.
My name's David Herbert, I work in carpentry. Because we've got the best teachers, we've got the best resources, and we offer lots of support, whether it's personal, if you're having difficulties with your finances, as well as the course. So come to Lewisham.